Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to start off things a little bit different. I'd like to sell some stuff, and I really don't have anything, but there are some shirts. Boosted Ride for the Death Trap and Burning Green shirts. I tell you what, if you guys already have one, hang tight. I'm going to have stickers coming for both trucks. We got a design we're working on for Crypt Keeper here. So for the panel truck, that'll be coming out soon. And what that's going to do is if you guys want to purchase a shirt or even a keychain, you know, we've got these sweet keychains on there. They're kind of hard to see on camera, but laser engraved with the Boosted Ride with the Death Trap truck on it. Get yourselves entered in to get a random prize with it. We've done this before and it really doesn't work that well, so help us out, guys. We need some funds. These, the rods out of Burning Green from when we might have cooked it just a little bit too much there, guys. I think we ran out of oil. So we've got rods. I've got 5 left of those. I still have some of these, which I will sign. Unfortunately, they're just a little bit damaged at the bottom, so hopefully that doesn't upset anyone. But these are the original Death Trap fire posters. These things turned out awesome. So now obviously this is the original before it was wrapped. We got a ton of those left. And then we do have this section of vinyl, which would be really sweet for someone. So when we got this original wrap, something got messed up when they made it on this back section. So he cut me out a section of just the Boosted Ride. We're gonna give it away.
But it stinks.
It does stink. It was in a box with at my parents, and I think some mice got in there. So, unfortunately, you're gonna have to deal with the stinky. It smells like mouse piss. So, sorry about that. I'll try and wipe it off. And then also, I don't know if there's any interest, guys. I've got, I don't want to say a boatload, but quite a few of these tire skins that, you know, I could sign, Jason could sign, we could date them and everything. So, if there's interest in that as well. But yeah, head on over to the website. It's boosted.ride.com. And maybe, I mean, I've had some people comment just wanting to donate to us. I'd love to send you something for free as well. So if you do, comment down below and let me know. I can put a little donate link onto the website if you want to help us out. Goes to a good cause, Morgan. We got this Camaro right here that it's looking kind of sad. Oh, and look at this. Mustang wheels on a Camaro. What a better way to have it. So I went ahead and threw these on there because there are wheel adapters on here to convert it over to this bolt pattern. And give them a little shot of the back there, Morgan. Look at that tire. Got a big old 33 by 12 by 15 inch rim on there. And we've been working on this over the weekend here. My dad was over and we tried getting the car lowered down and just trying to feel out what it's going to be like for having a drag race set up on it. Unfortunately, talking with a good buddy of mine, if you go big tire, these are not really considered big tires. So we would probably be outgunned, and I can't fit a bigger tire in there unless we're going to cut the frame rails, narrow them up, all the 4-link, and it's just a lot of stuff. So we'll probably end up going to like a 29.5 1050 or whatever it is tire, which would be a lot smaller than that. And that's going to lower the back end. And obviously, you know, this wheel gap here is because Texas Speed, we need your help. We don't have a motor. I'd love to work out a deal with Texas Speed and see if we can hook something up. Burnouts, drag racing, you know, whatever we need to do with this thing, that'd be sweet. So, but this project's on hold. Let's move over to this one. All right, so next up is Death Trap. And we're up front here because we're gonna be pulling the motor out, Morgan. So, you know, a little birdie told me there's like, I don't know, like 5 Australian burnout cars coming over here. And we wanna make sure we're ready. There's nothing wrong with it, but we're gonna pull it out for the 2024 season. I've got intake gaskets, we probably got head gaskets, it's the only thing we need. Tear it all down, verify everything, put it back together, and have this. Obviously this is the most expensive in the fleet. So this motor is all aftermarket, Dart block, Callie's crank, Oliver rods, JE pistons, I mean, the best of everything. So we wanna make sure this one's top notch. Not that I don't care about Burning Green in the LS or the Mopar, but there's a lot more money sitting here. So we need to tear this one down. If we have time, like I said, we'll put dry sump on Burning Green, which is behind Morgan now. And then Jason needs to get a tranny kit coming for Crypt Keeper there. So, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So Morgan's out here, we're gonna help together as a team, right, Morgan?
Yep.
She wants to learn, so we're gonna tell her what everything is, pull all the stuff out. You guys have seen all this, and then we'll take it over to the brother's shop. And I'm not sure if it'll be in this video or not, but we'll tear this down and just verify everything's good bearing-wise and put it back together, slap it back in, and then maybe while it's out, we'll probably see about pulling over Crypt Keeper, getting that motor and transmission out as well, and we'll just go from there. So stay tuned, enjoy it. Well, as you've seen there, we went ahead and got the motor pulled out. Just your typical pullout of the Death Trap motor. Took that over to the brother's shop, tore it down. I didn't record any of this, but you know what? Everything looked good. So we got all the way down to just the rotating assembly. Haven't pulled the pan off yet, but again, we have this clear view filtration. I know I've talked about this. Show this, Morgan. This right here has that screen in there that I've showed before, but this thing, we can check this out. And I already knew that the motor was in good health by checking that clear view. So there wasn't nothing to worry about. But again, just want to verify everything's good to go. So we're ready for 2024 for these Aussies. I guess there's some kind of burnout masters or something supposedly. But, you know, we want to do America proud. And we want to make sure we represent good. So I think after this one, if Jason shows up, we're going to have a rebuild kit coming for that transmission. I'll get that coming tomorrow. So we'll probably pull the panel over next, I think. Pull the motor out, pull the tranny. There's a little bit of bracing to do in the front end, and then we'll see if we can rebuild our own transmission. You know, nothing like cutting down to the wire by the time we get it all put back together and stuff, but that's going to do it for this one. I know it's a short video, so again, head on over to the website, boosted.ride.com, pick something up, get your poster, signed poster, pieces of tire, I don't know, comment down below. Maybe it's a stupid idea, I don't know. What do you think, Morgan? Dumb idea?
No.
All right, well, that's actually Morgan's idea, so just say bad idea, Morgan, in the comments down below. All right, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Say good idea, Morgan.
We'll see you in the next one working on the panel. All right, thank you.